I absolutely love the feature on Instagram where you can put questions on your Insta story and people can start typing things in. So a couple of days ago, actually last week I think, I put in a question on what people want to see as my next video, and I really appreciate people answering the question, and I guess a couple of people are very interested to see how to make the salted egg chicken. So that's what we are going to make today. So this dish was popularized by a restaurant in Sim Lim Square that is in Singapore. I tried that dish when I went to Singapore last time. I think it was a couple of months ago. There are a lot of people who remake the dish in Jakarta and they start selling it online, and honestly I've had better ones in Jakarta. So yeah, I guess this is my take on the salted egg chicken. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be uploading video every week, and every video again it will try to recreate dishes from around the world or from posts I see from Instagram. So if you guys have any ideas or any recommendation on what to do next, please comment down below or just message me on Instagram. So yeah, let's get cooking. Alright, so I've got all the ingredients ready here. So I'm just gonna chop some garlic, just roughly chop it. And then we are going to chop some chili. I'm using bird's eye chili, and I also have some curry leaves here which I'm going to chop up. Okay, so now we're gonna grab some cooked salted egg yolk. We're gonna take the yolk part, just the yellow part. Want to avoid as much white as possible. And after that, we're just gonna take our spoon and start mashing the egg yolk. And now moving on to the chicken. So for the batter, I have prepared some batter here. So basically this is the same batter that I use for my fried chicken video, which I will link for you guys at the end of this video. And I also have this flour water mixture that I'm just whisking. Very easy, you just want to make it as the same consistency as buttermilk. So to start, we're gonna make the sauce first. Chicken in the dry batter. If you want to see better instruction on how to make fried chicken, like an absolutely good fried chicken, please see my video that I'm going to link at the end of the video. Okay, time to eat the chicken. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really enjoy making the salted egg chicken because it's been a while since I had this. Honestly, this is really simple to make. Doesn't take too long at all, and the result is very rewarding, very high in cholesterol, very fattening, but at the same time it's very healthy for the heart because it's very comforting. So I really recommend you guys to give this recipe a go, and I'll see you guys next week.